It's Chris Hansen. It's 418. Uh, There's so many microwaves pummeling in my head right now before I go to SIU LUM PAI. I don't even think I can go. My whole brain, my whole brain is messed up. This voice to skull, this psychotronic tracking government computer, it's got so many psychotronic microwaves beamed into my head right now that it feels like it's killing me. And it keeps talking about SIU LUM PAI. I was supposed to be there at 7 o'clock. Tomorrow I got an appointment with Detective Coleman over the assault that took place on me about a year ago. Today's my first day back to SIU LUM PAI after the assault. And there's so many microwaves targeting me, trying to keep my legs are flopping right now from the microwaves. God, all I feel is pulses just hit me in the head. There's pulses, and there's constant talk coming from the airport over here. Just sound coming from the outside in. Oh God, help me! I think it's deranging my mind. Uh, 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 oh God.